In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on LinkedIn. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few simple steps to ensure your account's contact information is updated correctly. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're all signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all your connections and updates are displayed. Keep your eyes on the top area of the page and find your profile icon. This icon usually features your picture, or you might see a Me icon instead. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the area where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Sign In and Security section, and go ahead and click on that option. Within this menu, you'll spot the Email Addresses section. This is your go-to spot for managing the email addresses linked to your LinkedIn account. Before you dive into making changes, there's an important note to bear in mind. LinkedIn asks you to have at least 2 email addresses associated with your account. You'll need a primary email, which is your main one, and a secondary email. The secondary one is crucial for a smooth transition, especially if you're planning to switch your primary email. In my case, there's already a secondary email set up. But for the sake of helping you understand, let's pretend we need to add a new one. Adding a new email address is simple. Just click on the Add Email Address option. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the new or additional email address that you want to associate with your account. Once you type it in, you'll be asked to re-enter your LinkedIn password for security reasons. After that, hit Submit. In just a short while, a verification message will land in your new email's inbox. This is a safety step to confirm that it's indeed you making changes to your LinkedIn profile. Just follow the instructions in that email to verify and activate your new email address. Once you've completed the verification, head back to the Email Addresses section within your LinkedIn settings. If you have a newly added email you'd like to use as your primary contact, you can do that here. Just click Make Primary beside the newly added email address, and voila, it becomes your primary email. And that's it. You're all set with your updated LinkedIn email address. If this video was helpful to you, please consider hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you're notified about all the new uploads we have coming up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day navigating LinkedIn with your newly updated contact information.